Have you ever come across one of those jaw-dropping geography videos while scrolling through Instagram or YouTube Shorts and thought, hold on a second, how in the world did they make that? I mean, it starts with a simple map, and suddenly you're watching animated borders moving, dramatic narration kicking in, and background music that feels like you're watching a mini Netflix documentary. It's so polished, so clean, and somehow manages to deliver complex information in under a minute. It makes you stop scrolling. That's the power of good content. But here's what really blew my mind. When I found out that most of these videos aren't made by professional studios with big teams. They're made by solo creators, people like you and me, using just a few powerful AI tools that are absolutely free. Yup, not freemium, not trial versions. I'm talking full access, $0, no watermark tools that let you produce the kind of content that racks up millions of views. Once I figured out this workflow, it felt like I'd unlocked a cheat code to creating content, and I knew I had to share it. So today, I want to walk you through exactly how I made an eye-catching, viral-ready geography video using nothing but free AI tools. It's easier than it sounds, and honestly, it's addictive once you get the hang of it. Let's start with the backbone of any great video, the script. A killer video starts with a script that's not just informative, but punchy, attention-grabbing, and easy to follow. You want something that hooks your audience in the first 3 seconds and doesn't let go. So what did I do? I went straight to ChatGPT. I opened up ChatGPT and dropped in a simple prompt. Something like, write a short script for a 30-second video explaining how Africa's borders were created during colonization. Within seconds, it gave me a tight, well-structured script that explained the Berlin Conference in a dramatic, yet totally digestible way. It was something like, in 1884, European powers met in Berlin to divide Africa like a cake. No Africans invited. Borders were drawn with rulers, ignoring tribes, cultures, and history. That map still scars Africa today. Boom. Just like that, I had the bones of a viral script. What I love about ChatGPT is how responsive it is. If I wanted the tone to be more dramatic, I just asked. If I wanted it more educational or even a bit witty, ChatGPT would rewrite it instantly. It's like having a professional writer in your pocket. And I didn't need to research all the historical facts from scratch because the AI handled it. This step alone shaved off so much time and gave me a solid foundation to build the rest of the video. But the script is just words on a screen. How do you turn those words into a voice that actually sounds like a human being, with emotion and pacing? That's where I found TalkScript. And let me tell you, this tool is a total game changer. I copied my final script into TalkScript, and what I got back wasn't just some robotic, Siri-sounding voice. No, this was studio quality, near human narration. You can choose different voices depending on the vibe you're going for. Some are calm and documentary style, others are more energetic or cinematic. I tried out a few and finally landed on one that had this deep storytelling tone that made the script come alive. The best part? I didn't have to fiddle with mic settings or background noise. No second takes. No editing out awkward pauses or stutters. The AI voice nailed it in one go. And if I wanted to change the emphasis on certain words, I just tweaked the sentence slightly or added some punctuation. It's all about guiding the AI, and once you get the hang of it, it's like directing your own voice actor without paying a dime. Now that I had my voiceover locked in, it was time to bring visuals into the mix, and this is where things really started to feel like movie magic. Enter Hera. If you've never heard of Hera before, you're not alone. I hadn't either, but once I tried it, instant obsession. Hera is built to turn your script and voiceover into an animated motion video without needing any design or animation skills. It's like having a full-on graphics team, but it's just you and your laptop. I uploaded the audio I got from TalkScript, dropped in the script, and Hera instantly started generating visual scenes based on the content. I'm not even kidding. When the voiceover mentioned borders drawn with rulers, Hera animated an old map of Africa with red lines literally slicing through the continent. It matched the pacing of the narration perfectly. Every time I watched it, it felt like I had commissioned a motion graphics studio to make it, but nope, it was all automated. And the quality, super crisp. And I wasn't stuck with whatever visuals Hera gave me either. I could tweak scenes, adjust timing, and even add text overlays or scene transitions. It gave me just enough control without overwhelming me with technical stuff. The best part? It saved me hours that I would have spent searching for stock footage or trying to animate things manually. Hera just got it. It understood the story and built visuals around it. But I wasn't done yet. I wanted this video to really pop. You know, the kind of video that not only informs but looks so sleek slick and polished that people assume it took days to make. So for the final polish, I turned to CapCut. CapCut is honestly one of the most powerful free editors out there right now. I imported the video from Hera, and it opened up a whole world of customization. First thing I did, add music. CapCut has this massive free library of cinematic tracks, ambient beats, dramatic scores, you name it. I picked a track that started soft and slowly built up to match the intensity of the topic. Then I added transitions between scenes, little camera zoom effects, and even some glitchy transitions when the map visuals shift. CapCut also made it super easy to add captions. It auto-generated them from my voiceover and synced them almost perfectly. I went in, chose a bold font, adjusted the animation, and just like that, my video had subtitles that actually looked good, not those generic black box ones. It's those tiny finishing touches that really make your content stand out. I even added a subtle vignette and some grain to make it feel more documentary-like. Again, $0 spent. All of this completely free. When I finally exported the video and watched the finished product, I couldn't believe what I was seeing. Just a few hours earlier, I had nothing but an idea. No script, no footage, no narration. And now, I had a fully produced geography short that looked ready for prime time. And guess what? I uploaded it to Instagram and it took off. Within a couple of hours, people were sharing it, commenting, DMing me, asking, how did you make this? What app did you use? That's when it hit me. This is the future of content creation. These tools have totally leveled the playing field. You no longer need to be a filmmaker or a tech genius to create something beautiful. You just need the right tools and a bit of imagination. Let me tell you, once you start using this workflow, it's hard to stop. I went on to create more videos about climate zones, tectonic plates, even ancient trade routes. Each one got better, faster, and more fun. The tools almost feel like collaborators, helping bring your ideas to life. And the more you use them, the more you realize how many stories you can tell. There's literally no limit. Imagine this. You're a teacher trying to make geography lessons more engaging, or a student working on a school project, or maybe you're a travel junkie who wants to tell the story of the Silk Road, or you're just someone fascinated by history and want to share a bite-sized documentary. These tools are perfect for all of that, and the fact that they're all free, that's still mind-blowing to me. You'd think there's a catch, right? But nope. ChatGPT, TalkScript, Hera, and CapCut, each of them offer this insane level of value without charging you a cent. We're talking Hollywood-level storytelling potential right at your fingertips. So if you've been thinking about diving into content creation but felt intimidated, don't be. This workflow is your fast-track ticket to making something amazing. You don't need a camera, a mic, or editing skills. Just a story you want to tell and a willingness to explore. You could literally make your first video today. Let me leave you with this. The tools are here. The gatekeepers are gone. If you have a passion for storytelling, especially around topics like geography, history, or culture, now is your time. You're not just watching the next wave of content creation happen, you're already in it. And if you want to see more videos like this one, or want me to break down specific steps with tutorials, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next drop. And hey, if you end up creating a geography video using this exact workflow, drop a link in the comments. I genuinely want to see what you come up with. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.